guys, so are we trying Subway's turkey sandwich? Yeah, let's try it. First, I'm gonna take it off of me. Why does it look like that? Is it? Bro, why is it so crunchy, bro? I'm gonna try the other side, not this side. Is this actually turkey sandwich? Yo, wait, let me take some fruit, vegetables that I don't like. Because I'm done taking it off, so let me try it. Hopefully this time doesn't go wrong. I'm scared. That's actually kind of good. That's good. Let me go get the drink. Guys, I was about to go grab the drink, but never mind because it's just that I don't know. Anyways, let's keep eating this. The crunch is not that bad, but only like more the bread than the crunch on the bread. It's actually so good. Like, I don't like this part of the crunch. Look, this part is like kind of like crunchy, like burnt crunch. So I'll rate this 10 out of 10.